Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a CNAME record in Cloudflare. To begin, open Cloudflare and go to your account homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can view the websites connected to your account and manage their settings. Once you are there, look through your list of domains and select the sample domain you want to update. This takes you into that specific site's settings, where Cloudflare organizes all configuration options for DNS, security, performance, and more. After opening the domain, click on DNS. This section is where Cloudflare stores the DNS records that control how your domain connects to services like websites, email platforms, and subdomains. Inside the DNS area, click on Records to view the list of existing entries for the domain. This page shows the records already in place and gives you the option to create a new one. Next, click on Add Record. This opens the form where you can choose the type of DNS record you want to create. In the Type dropdown, select CNAME. A CNAME record is commonly used when you want one name, often a subdomain, to point to another hostname instead of directly to an IP address. This is especially useful for connecting services that provide you with a target domain to use. Once CNAME is selected, enter the sample name in the name field. This is the hostname or subdomain you want to create, so make sure it matches the value you intend to use. Then enter the sample target in the target field. The target should be the destination hostname provided for the service or location you want this record to point to. It's important to enter both values carefully because even a small typo can prevent the record from working correctly. When you have finished reviewing the information, click Save to create the record. After saving, the new CNAME record will appear in your DNS records list. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to fully propagate, so if the update does not appear to work right away, give it a bit of time and check again. That's all it takes to add a CNAME record in Cloudflare. By following these steps carefully, you can quickly point a subdomain to the correct destination and keep your DNS setup organized and accurate.